we been? Baby monitor. Also, I did find a really cool mobile light that also sings lullabies. On top of that, projects stars onto the ceiling. I mean, I couldn't help myself.
I really thought I was going to sing it lullabies, no one.
Okay, mami. Kuzofuneka uyeka uthi it. Uthethe ngomntana. Kodini. Tell mamako ango it wena. You're a baby.
Baby, I hope wena no tata kona sunpakanyela tanda kona wena.
So bon. Uthe ubawela grapefruit and avocado, so I just asked Chef Samkelo to whip up something.
Oh, thank you.
Also, there is salmon in there as well.
It looks amazing. Something I don't know. Mayo, mayo.
Mayo. Yeah. What's next? Vinegar.
I was thinking maybe chilies, peanut butter, and
Come on.
All
right. Also, I did manage to buy the baby grows kodwa between pink and blue, so I just settled for mint green and neutrals.
But you do know that's in 5 months, mustn't it?
Yes, Lord. Kodwa akho monakalo in being prepared. Ukufika kumntana wethu asiziba siphithizela sicinge ngezinye izinto. Speaking of which, kuzo fonela sithatha isigqibo ezithile.
Like high school, university funds.
More like sizakuhlala. I mean, I'm assuming so hlala together so that sikhule umntana together.
Yes, sizohlala.
Apha.
Yes, I think this is a perfect place.
Kahle kahle mntomdala kanti why lento le ungakwazi ukuyidedela ivelivali khona manje sofuna usikhudula sifake emgodini sikhalelwa amageta ngi4 or ngi4 isipani kusela grand shopping yani especially kangakuze ugobeke ngalendlela ugobeke ngayo hleze sikhona indlela zokuthi senze izinto kungakhabathekanga muntu
ya iseva wena uzokwakha iseva engatraceki
ufuna ukuthi ngithunini
ngifuna ukuthi wakhe isystem powerful ekuthenini even ne-data ye-National Defence Force ayikwazi ukuyitracer leyo nto leyo wakhiwa nguwe from scratch
Franchap khorotmana niyasika awukho grand lapha ekhanda iseve elingaka lona silithunani ulifunelani iseve
angeke ngikhokhele imali engakuthi umbuze mningangaka mina
hayi mina ngeke ngishale isipandesi khorotmana lento ngicela yona kusinto yekhwapkhwaphi lento leyo izongithatha izinyanga zesipani ukujuluka iriskeda so phela mina ngeke ngijikela abantu besikhada ecetla lapha sengishaya u10 ngizobacela ihak vivile
inyanga engani
miskini wama 3 months la
siyenza
umntana yini ngathi awungizwa kahle ngithi titi nanye ngijuli yeke manje
uyangowisha wena uzoyenza lento le noma uzobhadla njani
kanti umntana manje sekwenzakalani manje sesizilala iziphi
lalela wena uzoyibuilda leseva le uma ngabe ungayibuildi uzobhadla le Guantanamo siboneke lapho ukuthi ke uzokwazi ukuhacka your way out of there.